Hey, good day everyone. Check out this high quality gazebo I have here from Purple Leaf. The hardtop gazebo is supported by a powder coated aluminum frame that provides excellent strength and durability, ensuring that the gazebo can be used outdoors for a long time. It comes with high quality color woven polyester curtains. You can adjust the curtains and bug nets as needed to effectively block sunlight and mosquitoes while providing privacy. The gazebo is equipped with ceiling hooks for you to hang chandeliers, fans, or other decorative items. We found this gazebo to be the perfect location for our outdoor patio furniture too. Really love the options that this thing comes with, the bug net, the curtains. It offers privacy, or you can have it wide open just as you see here. Stay tuned as I show you how to operate these curtains and bug nets. Hey guys, check out this nice gazebo we put together. I'm going to show you how to use it here. It takes 2 people to put this thing together. At least it's going to be easiest with 2 people. And we did it over a weekend. Did most of it on Saturday and then finished it off on Sunday. And so I'm going to show you how this thing works. So you got a bug net and you have a regular net here on all 4 sides. It's fully enclosed and it's waterproof. And so to operate this thing, come over here. This is the cover for it. Right here it's got Velcro. So that comes off like that, and you just kind of hang on to these things. And now this part here, bring it around there, just undo it, and basically the bug net goes on the inside and the actual curtains go on the outside. And it's all Velcroed right here. It comes with 2 straps. So you just unstrap them, then you go ahead and slide the curtain down. Or you can leave the curtain tied up and just do the bug net too. And the bug net here, same thing with all 4 sides. Then you'll zip them up in the middle. Here, I'll show you. I'll just zip these 2 sides together here. Got a nice smooth zipper on it. The bug net. And same thing for all the other sides. We really love this thing. Thank you for watching, everybody.